2, and 3, and 1, and 2. Welcome back. So we are tackling for Elise measures 31 all the way down to 35. Okay, so this right here. That's a little new. See these 30-second notes? Fun stuff. Half the value of these 16th notes, meaning that this is gonna be something we're gonna want to play super slowly. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. Notice the change, okay? So this right here, right hand on its own is huge. Hand separate work. Let's do it. So notice the pattern. This stuff up here, these G's, let me see if I can draw a straight one. So these G's are all the same, okay? That means that you have to highlight the melody of G, A, B, C, D, okay? I'm gonna change the color for once. Here we go. G, A, B, C, D. Let's do a better one. Okay, so it goes G, A, B, C, D. Right hand on its own. G, A, B, C, D, 1. So fingering I'm using 2, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, C, 5, D, 5, E. So G, A, B, C, D, E. All right, and there's an exercise. If you're having some trouble playing this evenly, don't want that. Okay, we want that. There's an exercise in Hanon. If you play Hanon, Hanon number 1, right? There's another one you can do, Hanon 31, which will help this a lot. So what it is, it helps you. See how the 5, see how the top notes, these ones, it comes back to that. Kind of like how we have, but instead of going down, you can also go down. Very similar kind of exercise, excuse me. Oof. Don't want to hear those, okay? So here we go. G, A, B, C, D, 1. So that's the first bar, 31. Next, 32. Okay, playing this evenly is a big challenge for a lot of people. Play this evenly. And how you do that is you play it firmly and slowly, okay? So, that's a lot of repetitions just like that. So let's write the fingering in actually. It'll be really helpful, I feel, because if you get this, 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, it's a scale. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold on a sec. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 5. Yes, that's right. 1, 3, 2, 5, 4, 2. So it goes from there. All right, 32. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1. Just doing that. E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1. Again. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1. Okay? So it goes E and 1 E and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 3 and 1. Again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Okay? And it just repeats the same pattern again. So if you get this, you'll be able to get that because it's a repeat. Okay? So saves you a ton of time. But doesn't mean that you have to put in half the reps. Put in twice as much reps, play it anyway. All right? Count it as a as a win. All right, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, so once you're able to get the technical bit, including the left hand, which goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Okay, so left hand coming in from the line and 2 and 3 and. So 1 5 1 2 4 is what I use, but then it changes hand positions anyway. So 2 4 is what I'm going to write in for you. 2 4. Okay, and then what happens is it goes 1 2 1 3 1 2 4 1 5 3 1. Okay, I'm going to say this the right way. So it goes 1 2. Let's do this way. Yes. So it goes 1 3. Whoop. Oh, weird. Okay. Whoop. And then it goes 1 2 4. So when it goes 1 2 4. Another one, I guess. Yeah. 1 2 4. A little confusing, hey? Yep. All right, we'll deal with it. So 1 2 4 there, and then you're 1 3 5. 2 4. So G stay the same. It just goes F E D with an F C E G. Okay. A B. See that? Jumps down to here. Make sure you get ready. So 3 5 and then 2 4. All right, makes sense. So once you get that, and let's get everything in the middle. Okay, good. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and just do it again and 2 E and again, okay? As many repetitions as you can, correct repetitions as you can. And if you need to do hand separate work, do that. Okay, honestly, this part is a lot of slow and firm work, so take your time with it. It's tricky up here because of the 4s and the 3s we're using, the 4s and the 2s. Okay, the 4th finger, 3rd finger, weak fingers. Line it up. Make sure the alignment is on point. Don't want to hear any splitting. No good. So, and 2 E and E and If you're having some trouble with the right hand playing, like if you're having, because the weak fingers, play it firmly and slowly. You can do staccatos too. But without the adjacent notes that you're hitting. No good. Good. That helps you hear yourself playing it evenly, because the moment that you decide to play that note is in time, okay? Once you get that, quality reps. Do that 5 times correctly in a row before you let yourself go, okay? So if you're able to do that 31 to 35, that is 31 to 35 of Elise. We're going to continue. We're going to play this once over and continue to the next section. Here we go. 1 and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. See you next there. See you in the next bit. And 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. One last thing, actually. No pedal. No pedal at all. Take the pedal off, leave it off. This is a section we want to make super clean. All right. Next bit, we're going to do 36 all the way down to 59. And why is that? Well, you'll find out in the next bit. See you there.